Hello friends, welcome to the Dynamic Cast, one place for reviews, recipes, crafts and much more. In today's video, we will see if the dishwasher is an economical option compared to a maid washing the utensils by hand. Now, let's look at a comparative study of washing utensils by using dishwasher versus maid and the comparative cost analysis. Friends, this is just for a reference purpose and it can vary on a case-to-case basis. However, the calculation will help you to derive your own cost of dishwasher usage. As you can see, using maid for washing utensils will cost you approximately 1478 rupees per month, whereas if you use dishwasher it will cost you approximately 747.58 rupees, almost half the cost. We are keeping aside the initial purchasing cost of dishwasher and any repair and maintenance that may occur during the lifetime. For our calculation, we have used Finish Classic Detergent Powder available in Amazon at Rs 361 for 1 kg, which will run for a month. Finish Rinse Aid Liquid for 400 ml costing Rs 400 will run approximately 4 months, so the monthly cost will be around Rs 100. Finish Dishwasher Salt Pack of 2 kg costing Rs 315 will run approximately 7 to 8 months. Taking conservative 7 months of usage, the monthly cost of salt will be around Rs 45. Based on the 280 standard cleaning cycles with cold water, dishwashers take anywhere between 237 kWh per annum to 262 kWh per annum, which means that it takes anywhere between 0.84 to 0.94 kWh per wash cycle. Taking 1 kW on higher side, we can say that 1 unit of electricity per wash cycle, and if you use your dishwasher once in a day for 30 days, then it consumes 30 units of electricity per month. If you take an average of Rs 7.75 per unit, your electricity bill for a month will increase by about Rs 232. Coming back to the water consumption, the modern dishwashers are designed to consume very less water. They consume anywhere between 9.5 to 18 liters of water per wash cycle. Taking an average, it will consume about 13.75 liters per wash cycle. This is any day better than your maid washing the utensils under the running tap and using much more water than the dishwashers. We saw the calculation of water and electrical consumption earlier in this video. Coming back to the water usage of maids, they generally wash the utensil with continuous running water and it will easily consume 50 liters of water per wash and hence approximately 1500 liters of water per month. For the salary of maid, we have considered a bare minimum salary in an urban mega or a metro city for Rs 1200 per month just for utensils cleaning only. Also, Diwali bonus is something that is a norm in Indian culture and we should not forget the same, which your dishwasher will not demand. Friends, over and above this, the dishwasher will definitely give you much more mental peace. If we have to conclude, all in all, the monthly cost of using dishwasher is approximately Rs 750, whereas your Kantabai will cost you around 1500 per month. Please share your views about this video in comment section. If you have any query, do write it in the comment section and we will try to answer the same. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our upcoming dishwasher videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon button to get the notification about the same.